Let's learn some colors name. Pink color, sky blue color, orange color, brown color, purple color, black color, red color, yellow color, green color. Let's learn some alphabets. A. A for aeroplane. B. B for bus. C. C for car. D. D for dolphin. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for glass. H. H for hen. I for iron. J. J for jug. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for mango. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. P. P for peacock. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rainbow. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Thanks for watching. Bye.